Good morning, everyone. My name is Vince Kenneth OLIVA, and I'm the reporter of Observational Traffic Survey entitled Origin Destination Cordon in Screenline Survey.
Origin Destination Cordon. From the root word of origin is the location where a trip begins. For example, when you go on a trip, your origin location is in your house. What I mean is, where did you go first in your trip? That's the origin. Second, origin destination cordon. From the root word of origin is the location where a trip begins. For example, when you go on a trip, your origin location is in your house. What I mean is, where did you go first in your trip? That's the origin. Second, destination. Destination is the location where a trip ends. Third, origin destination. Origin destination describe both ends of a single trip, or what we call journey. Fourth, cordon. It's a spatially designated location of a city that carries a few to access on it. Cordon, it means checkpoint or border where they check the number of passengers if they enter in the city or the area. These are the probably question when you do a survey on the origin destination. 1. Travel pattern and characteristics. 2. Measure trends. 3. Provide inputs to travel demand model development. 4. Forecasting and planning for our area-wide transportation needs and services. 5. Progress in implementing transportation policies. 6. Land use of zones of origin and destination. 7. Household characteristics of a trip making family. 8. Time of the day when journey are made. 9. Trip purpose. 10 is mode of travel. These are the specific objective to which origin-destination survey data can be put are: first, to determine the amount of bypassable traffic that enters a town, thus establish the need for a bypass. Second, to develop trip generation and trip distribution models in the transportation planning process. Third, to determine the extent to which the present highway system is adequate and to plan new facilities. Fourth, to assess the adequacy of parking facilities and plan for future. These are the techniques available for conducting a origin-destination survey. First, home interview survey, roadside interview survey, postcard questionnaire survey, registration number plate survey, tags on vehicle. So let's go on the next slide. Home interview survey. One of the most reliable type of survey for collection of origin and destination is home interview survey. When you come one-on-one question and answering portion of the scenario. And it's good because you came up with the direct or primary data of what you are need in your survey. And it mainly focuses on the travel pattern of the resident of the household. And we are next slide. Second is the roadside interview survey. The roadside interview survey can be done either directly interviewing drivers of the vehicle at the selected survey points or by issuing prepaid postcards in containing questionnaires to all or sample of the drivers. So these are the one of the efficient way on the conducting a survey because it will be giving up direct or primary data. Third, postcard questionnaire survey. In this method, reply paid questionnaires are handed over to each of the drivers or sample of them at the survey points and custom them to complete the information and return by post. And it is similar to second, which is the roadside interview survey, and it is efficient also. Registration number plate survey. These techniques are applicable to those vehicle that enters in the cordon or checkpoint because the plate number of the vehicle serve as a number of vehicles that enter the specific town or area. So as you can see in the left side or right side, there are the LTO plate standardization, which is there are white color and yellow. White color serve as the private vehicles and yellow color of plate number serve as a for PUJ driver, and there is a private motorcycles and also for motorcycles for hire, which is blue and which is yellow. That's it. Tags on vehicle. One of the efficient way of conducting a origin destination survey is the tag on vehicles. In this method, at each point where the roads cross the cordon line, vehicles are stopped and a tag is fixed, usually under the windscreen wiper or on the back or the key. The tags for different service stations have different shapes and or color to identify the service station. These are the methods on how or to determine uh, numbers of passenger in this specific town or area. Screenline survey. A screenline survey is an imaginary line on a map composed of one or more straight line segments. Screenline analysis provides a means of comparing the result of a traffic assignment with traffic count data. A screenline survey We'll obtain traffic volume by counting the number of vehicles at the several locations along imaginary line, which divide the study area parts. Now, the difference between origin and destination cordon survey and screenline survey is when the origin destination cordon survey is more focused on obligement or actual perform of getting information data, while screenline survey is focused on the summation of the data gathered by origin destination cordon survey. That's it. Thank you, Thank you for listening and have a good day.